Hi dears, how are you all? I hope you are all fine and safe at home. I am Ayyappan, BTS in Mathematics from Bhadasram Metric Higher Secondary School, Arkonam. I am going to teach 9th standard Mathematics. The first chapter is set language. The first topic is subset. Let A and B two sets. If every element of set A is also an element of set B, it is called subset. If every element of set A is also an element of set B, it is called subset. We write A subset of B. Here this subset symbol, here this is subset symbol. For example, A set is 1 and B set is 1, 2, 3. The one element is belongs to 1, 2, 3. So 1 is same. So if A is element belongs to B element, so it is subset of 1, 2, 3. So another examples 2, 4 and 1, 2, 3. Here 2 is subset, but here 4 is not there in B set, so it is not subset. So subset, every element of set A is also an element of set B. It is subset if every element of set A, here 2, 4. So 2 is element is belongs to another set, but 4 is does not belongs to 1, 2, 3. So it is not subset. So another example. Subset. Sets can be related if each other if one set inside the another set. One set inside the another set. It is called subset. So easy definition. Sets can be related to each other if one set inside the another set. It is called subset. Suppose A set is 1, 2, 3 and B set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here A elements are 1, 2, 3 and B element are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So then A is subset of B. Since everything is A is also and B, this is written as A subset B. Here this subset symbol. Here all the elements are same means you have to use this symbol. So here 1, 2, 3 elements only same, so that's why here not use this symbol. Then next subset example. Subset example, first of all here this one diagrams. Here A set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So A set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So how many elements? 12 elements. Here B set. B set is 3, 4, 7, 8, 11. 3, 4, 7, 8, 11. Manush Raj, here which elements are more elements? Here B set is more elements. So B is subset of A because here 3 belongs to A set, 4 belongs to A set, 7 belongs to A set and 8 belongs to A set, 11 belongs to A set. So B is subset of A. Then another example, here B set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here B set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many elements? 5 elements. So B set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here A set is here 1, 2, 4. So how many elements? 3 elements. So 3 elements are in set A. So here 3 elements belongs to B set. Therefore A subset of B. Here A is subset of B. This is another example. Here next, write all the subset of A 1, 2, 3. Here first elements are null set. This is first possibility. Here null set belongs to, here null set belongs to 1, 2, 3. Here null set subset of 1, 2, 3. So another possibility, 1 is subset of 1, 2, 3. Then 2 subset of 1, 2, 3. 3 subset of 1, 2, 3. And then 1, 2. 1, 2 also subset of 1, 2, 3. Then 1, 3 is subset of 1, 2, 3. Next 2, 3 subset of 1, 2, 3. So next here last elements. So all the elements are same. This also subset. So if every elements are subset in 1, 2, 3, what are all subsets are there? Here this one subset, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 possibilities. First of all, I will write the subsets are. The subsets are first set, null set. This is one subset, first possibility. Next possibility is 1. So here 1 is another one subset. Then next 2 is another subset. This is another possibility. Next 3. This elements are, I will take this 1, 2, 3 only. So here 3 is another elements. Next 1, 2, this another elements. Next 1, 3, so another elements. Next 2, 3, this another elements. Next 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So how many elements are possible? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 possibilities only is in the A set. So this is our subsets. So another example, write all the subset of A set is 1, 2, 3, 4. Here the same concept. The first possibilities are null set. This here, this null set, this is a null set. This is first possibility. We know that every set you take must be null set is a one possibility. Then single element or possibility, another one. So 1 is single element, 2 is single element, 3 is single element, 4 is single element. That is second concept. Next you have to pair 2 elements. So 1, 2, this 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4. So 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4. Next 2, 3, 2, 4. This is another possibility. Next 3, 4. This is fourth possibility. So how many possibilities are there? 6 possibilities. So single digit 4 possibility, double digit 2, 4, 6 possibility. Next 3 elements are paired. So 1, 2, 3. This is one pair. Next 2, 3, 4. This is another possibility. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4. So another possibility. Next 1, 3, 4. Next 2, 3, 4. So 4 possibilities. Next the same elements are possibility in the 1, 2, 3, 4. So these elements are called subset. This what are the possibilities are there here? Null set 1, 2, 3, 4. Next 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 3, 2, 4, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 4, 1, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are all possibility of 1, 2, 3, 4 set. So first I will write the subsets are the first possibility is null set. Next 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 3, next 1, 4, next 2, 3, 2, 4, 3, 4, next 1, 2, 3, next 1, 2, 4, next 1, 3, 4, next 2, 3, 4. So next 1, 2, 3, 4. So these are subsets. Proper subset. Here subset is, so another types is proper subset. What is proper subset? Let A and B two sets. If A set must be not equal to B. Here that is a very important condition. If A is subset of B and A not equal to B, that is A is called proper subset of B. Here we write A proper subset of B. Here proper subset means here one elements are less than. Here one example. So for example, if A set is 1, 2, 5 and B set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 3 elements are there. Here 5 elements are there. So here A must be not equal to B. A not equal to B, because here A set and B set are number of elements are different. So A set not equal to B set. And then another condition, A is proper subset of B. Why here A is proper subset of B? Because here 1, 2, 5. These 3 elements are belongs to B set. So it is proper subset. So here that is A subset of B. Now what is the difference between the subset and proper subset? Subset is nothing but here sometimes A set or B set are equal, but here proper subset A must be not equal to B. That is the difference between the subset and a proper subset. Subset may be equal, but proper subset A not equal to B, but here A set not equal to B set. That is the difference. Here subset sometimes A set and B set are equal, but proper subset A must be not equal to B. That is the difference between the subset and a proper subset. Next, overlapping set. What is overlapping set? Here first 2 sets A and B are said to be overlapping if they have at least one elements are common. That is the important. Any one of the elements are common, that is called overlapping set. Here A and B are 2 sets. Any one of the elements are same, that is common. That is the overlapping set. In other words, A intersection B is not equal to pi. Here A intersection B not equal to pi means sometimes so you will give one element, that is the condition. In other way, A intersection B is not equal to pi, then A and B are said to be overlapping sets. For example, here 1, 2, 3. Here B set 2, 4, 5, 6. Here A intersection B. What are all common elements here? What are all common elements? Only 2. So 2 only common elements. So it is overlapping set. So in case A intersection B is not equal to pi, that is pi means null set. Here one element, that is a singleton set. So it is an overlapping sets. Next, overlapping set examples. Listen, drawing Venn diagrams, overlapping sets. Here I will explain Venn diagrams. So here example, like universal set is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So all the elements are universal set. So A set is 1 2 5 7 and B set is 8 9 5 7. Here A and B are, what are all elements are common? 5 7. Ranjit, what are elements are common? 5 comma 7. So it is common elements. So this 5 and 7 are common elements. So it is overlapping set. So another topic is disjoint sets. What is disjoint sets? Here two set A and B are said to be disjoint set if they do not have common elements. So here A and B are no elements are common. That is a disjoint set. In other words, A intersection B is equal to pi. So pi means null set. They are not common elements. It is a disjoint set. So A and B are said to be disjoint set. For example, A set. A set is 1 2 3 4 and B set is A B C D. Here A set and B set are no elements are common. So A intersection B is null set. So it is A and B are disjoint set. Understood the concept? A set is 1 2 3 4, B set is A B C D. Here what are elements are common? So no elements are common. So A intersection B is pi. So it is disjoint set. So next disjoint set example. Here class 7th standard, class 8th standard. M is a one set, N is a another set. Here 7th standard and 8th standard class, no elements are common because here age is different and then studies also different. So it is disjoint set. Another example, A set is 1 2 3 4 5 6, B set is 7 8 9 10. So no elements are common. So it is also disjoint sets. The next concept, proper subset. Here let A and B are two sets. If A is subset of B and A must be not equal to B, then A is called proper subset of B. So we write as A subset B. Next, find the number of subset and number of proper subset of set A. Set A is A, B, C, X, Y, Z. So we know that 6 elements. So how to write the subset? Null set first elements. Here null set first elements. Next A is separate elements, B is separate elements like this. C is separate elements, X separate elements, Y separate elements, Z separate elements, AB one pair, BC one pair and CX, XY like this is going on. So how to find the number of subset? So here N of A is equal to 6. So how many elements? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 elements. So here the number of subset formula N of A, N of P of A. So here 2 power N of A. 2 power N of A, this is formula for number of subset. The first we know that N of A equal to 6. Now apply the values 2 power 6. So 2 power 6 means you have to product 6 times. So 2 power 6 means you have to product 6 times. 2, 4, 6. Here 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. Next 2 2s are 4. So 4 4s are 16. 16 into 4, 64. So it is a 2 power 6 value is 64. Here sometimes we will do 2 power 6 is 12. That is wrong. 2 power 6 means you have to product 6 times. This is exponents. So 2 power 6 times you have to product. Then you will get answer 64. Then number of proper subset means, here proper subset means equal A, B, C, X, Y, Z, that elements are not in the proper subset. So N of P of A minus 1, that one elements are subtract. So N of P of A, already we know that value is 64. 64 minus 1, 63. This is a number of proper subset. This is an easy way method of number of subset and number of proper subset. Next, power set. What is power set? The set of all subset of set A is called the power set of A. So all the subset contain one set, it is called power set. All the subset of the set A is contains one power set. Here what are elements? For example, if A equal to 2 comma 3, then find the power set of A. How to find power set of A? Here first we have to complete the subset. What are all possibility subset? Here A set is 2 comma 3. The first elements are null set. Next possibility 2. Next 3. Next 2 comma 3. This is subset. So one subset of 2 comma 3, 2 subset of 2 comma 3, 3 subset of 2 comma 3 and 2 comma 3 subset of 2 comma 3. So this possibilities of the one set is called power set. That is power set denoted by P of A. So power set is called all the subsets contains one set, that is called power set. So what are the possibilities? So here I explain subset. This null set subset of 2 comma 3, then 2 subset of 2 comma 3, next 3 subset of 2 comma 3, 2 comma 3 subset of 2 comma 3. So this is a subset. So P of A equal to, so this possibilities. பார்த்தீங்கன்னா நம்ம கிளாஸில் என்னென்ன பார்த்துருக்கோன்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா சப்செட், ப்ராப்பர் சப்செட், ஓவர்லாப்பிங் செட், டிசைன் செட், பவர் செட். ஸோ 5 டைப்ஸ் ஆஃப் செட்ஸ் தான் பார்த்துருக்கோம். ஸோ அது கிளியராக வந்து நீங்கள் என்ன பண்ணுறீங்கன்னா உட்காந்து அந்த சப்செட்னா என்ன, ப்ராப்பர் சப்செட்னா என்ன, பவர் செட்னா என்ன, அண்ட் தென் ஓவர்லாப்பிங், டிசைன் செட் அண்ட் தென் பவர் செட். ஸோ இந்த 5 டைப்ஸையும் வந்து பார்த்திங்கன்னா ரொம்ப நல்லா கிளியராக பார்த்துக்குங்க. ஸோ இது வந்து பார்த்திங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு கொஷின் பேப்பரில் 2 மார்க் கொஷினாக இருக்கும். அதே போல் க்ரியேட்டிவ் கொஷின்ஸ் வந்து பார்த்திங்கன்னா புக்கில் இருக்கிற கொஷின் இல்லாமல் அடிஷ்னலாக வந்து எக்ஸ்ட்ரா கொஷின்ஸ் வந்து அட்டாச் பண்ணியிருப்போம். ஸோ அதையும் நீங்கள் வந்து ட்ரை பண்ணுங்கள், உங்களால் முடியும். ஏன்னா அந்தளவு கான்செப்ட் நல்லா கிளியராக புரிஞ்சிடும். ஸோ அதனால் வந்து உங்களால் க்ரியேட்டிவ் கொஷின்ஸை ஈஸியாக ஹேண்டில் பண்ண முடியும். ஸோ அதனால் வந்து பார்த்திங்கன்னா நீங்கள் டெஸ்ட்டு கரெக்டாக ப்ராப்பராக எழுதிட்டு டெஸ்ட்டு எழுதி முடித்தோடனே நீங்கள் என்ன பண்ணுறீங்கன்னா ஃபோட்டோ எடுத்து வாட்ஸ்அப் நம்பர், நம்ம ஸ்கூல் வாட்ஸ்அப் நம்பரில் அனுப்புங்க. தேங்க்யூ ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்.